Hair ailments such as dandruff, coarseness, greasiness, and dryness of the hair should never be neglected. Different causes are attributed to hair fall. Apart from a poor diet, hair can be severely damaged by many other factors. It could be because of stress and tension. Thyroid imbalance can be the problem. Medications like diet pills, hormonal changes in pregnancy, and menopause. Overprocessed food with different colors and dyes. Actually, hair loss is a normal phenomenon as new hair replaces the old. However, when the lost hair is not replaced, one starts heading towards baldness. Losing hair at young age has become a common disorder these days. Although hair is not essential to life, hair fall and graying of hair at an early stage of life can be very embarrassing, and it is of sufficient cosmetic concern to provoke anxiety in anyone. Hair is formed in multiple pockets in the skin called follicles. An upgrowth at the base of the follicle called the papilla produces hair when a special group of cells turn amino acids into keratin. A type of protein building blocks determines hair growth. Baldness may be local or general. Normally, people are found with hairlessness on a circumscribed area of the skull or the beard. In the worst cases, hair of beard, eyelashes, eyebrows, armpits, and even public region is lost. The most important cause of hair loss is inadequate nutrition. Persons suffering from deficiency of vitamin B2 tend to lose hair, and those people deficient in folic acid often become completely bald. But on the liberal intake of these vitamins, the hair starts growing. Other important causes of hair loss may be mental worry, anxiety, anger, and stress, sudden shock, general debility caused by severe or long-standing illness like typhoid, syphilis, chronic cold, and anemia. A vigorous rubbing of the scalp with fingers after washing the hair with cold water is one of the most effective remedies for the prevention and treatment of loss of hair. The scalp should be rubbed vigorously. This activates the sebaceous glands and energizes the circulation of blood, which makes the growth of hair healthy. The health of the hair depends largely on the intake of sufficient amounts of nutrients in your daily diet. Adequate amount of protein is necessary for luxuriant hair. This you can get from milk, buttermilk, yogurt, soya bean, eggs, cheese, meat and fish. Lack of vitamin A may cause hair to become coarse and ugly. Deficiency of B vitamins, iron, copper and iodine may cause hair to fall and premature graying. Women who keep their diets adequate in iodine, B vitamins, and iron have a better growth of hair. According to famous nutritionists, the increased intake of protein, particularly of liver, wheat germ yeast, and supplementing the diet with a teaspoon of inositol daily may stop the man's hair from falling and their hairs may become thick. Several home remedies have been found useful in the prevention and treatment of hair loss. Amla oil can be made at home by adding fresh juice of gooseberries to the coconut oil. This should be boiled till the amla juice is completely absorbed in the oil. This oil should be applied to the scalp after massaging it. A mixture of equal quantity of fresh amla juice and lime juice used as a shampoo stimulates hair growth and prevents hair loss. A mixture of lettuce and spinach juice is said to help the growth of hair if it is consumed regularly. The juice of alfalfa in combination with carrot and lettuce juice, if taken daily, also helps in the growth of hair. Another useful home remedy to patchy loss of hair is the paste of licorice made by grinding the pieces in the milk with a pinch of saffron. This paste is to be applied over the bald patches in the night before going to bed. But before starting any of these remedies, see that your hairs are clean and brushed for at least 5 minutes. This is Bright Side of Life. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.